The Hoodmart metal wall panels set provides a continuous stainless steel barrier that effectively shields commercial kitchen walls from heat, splatter, and daily wear. Its heavy-duty stainless steel construction, in a brushed finish, feels robust, resists warping under high temperatures, and cleans up quickly with a simple wipe down. The 7-panel layout with matching seams and end caps gives long runs of wall a clean, professional look that suits food trucks, restaurants, and concession trailers. Each panel is engineered in a practical gauge and thickness that balances durability with manageable weight, making handling and positioning more straightforward during installation. The panels are designed to be installed with construction adhesive, and the hemmed edges on the end caps help reduce sharp edges while simplifying alignment. Protective film and freight shipping help the panels arrive with their surfaces intact, and the included warranty adds peace of mind for demanding commercial use.